Thank you, Sam. Some Carthage High School students participated in a food truck project to get real experience for the future. KOAM's Yana Atala has more from the classroom.
Some Carthage High School marketing and culinary students put their heads together to come up with a food truck project.
They get to collaborate on something that could be realistic for them. Food trucks are booming, and so they're really popular, and they're able to kind of use those skills to see it come to life.
The students get judged for their semester-long project. They came up with the name, logo, menu, design, and advertisement strategies. 10 groups of marketing students partner with culinary students who picked up one item for the menu and created it, while the machining class created a prototype of the truck.
Our truck is based on the Mexico flag itself, so we use colors like green, red, and white, and black. But we use black more as an accent color. Food that our chef decided to pick was street tacos, and in the street tacos, they're made with flour tortilla with ground beef that seasons it tastes like asada, and we use cilantro, onions, and tomatoes.
Ordonez's favorite part was to design and paint the truck.
The school has lasers here, so they were actually able to make paper cutouts of the food truck, so it was nice just getting to color it overall.
Ordonez is not only in the contest, but is also filming it for a multimedia class.
We are constantly working on ways to cross-collaborate with departments in the Tech Center, and today you can see that not only do we work with culinary to create food and machining to create the trucks, but we also have our media class here today that is videoing and taking pictures and things to help produce future commercials and things for us.
In Carthage, Janna Haudala, KOAM News.
Curl says the goal is to add a commercial component for the food truck projects next year.